What's up, everybody? I got my sits. Wait, how old is she, Shannon? How old is she?
7 months?
7 months? I guess she's 7 months old. Puppy! We're playing. Oh man! Oh, she almost beat my head.
Actually, go get a ball.
Okay.
Get a ball on here and bounce it.
That sounds so wrong, Shannon. So it's just another video. We're playing with my dog. So it's simple. Right now, we need to find a ball for her to play with. So let's go ahead and do. So guys, I just had Alright, it's all focused. Got this little 50 cent ball in storage for me. It's at the weirdest thing because it's. Oh, what would I got for you, Pop? Shan, should I give this to her?
I meant like a tennis ball.
I can't find any. Okay, I'm giving this to my Pop. Oh, she catched it! Holy! Shan, just bounce and see what she does. Bounce! 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 Oh man! Oh man, I'm gonna die.
Hey, Phoenix, come here.
I'm gonna die. She's chasing the con. Oh no. Bobby bird. Bobby bop. Ah! Holy. I thought it netting. Oh no. We ran into netting. Peace out, guys.
Drop it.
Dog.